Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of Wi-Fi extenders with a close look at the Reyee WiFi Extender Booster Signal Repeater. Let's see if this device lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what sets this extender apart. It boasts AC1200 megabits per second speed, supporting the latest WPA3 security protocol, ensuring your network remains secure. But what really caught my eye is the inclusion of not one, but two independent FEM external signal amplifiers. These babies, coupled with two high-gain signal amplification chips, promise exceptional performance, extending your Wi-Fi coverage up to a whopping 7,800 square feet. Just plug it in, follow a few simple steps, and voila! You're ready to enjoy seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your space. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or video conferencing, this extender ensures a stable connection with its dual-band gigabit signal extension. Now, let's talk compatibility. The Reyee WiFi extender plays well with any router, gateway, or access point, making it versatile for various applications. Need coverage for your retail POS, gaming consoles, or smart home devices like Google Home or Echo? This extender has got you covered. And here's the best part. Reyee stands behind their product with a 2-year warranty and reliable customer service. So, if you encounter any issues, rest assured they've got your back. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable Wi-Fi extender that delivers on its promises, look no further than the Reyee WiFi Extender Booster Signal Repeater. It's a game-changer for anyone struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, stay connected.